Hello guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to install or update drivers on your Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to install or update your drivers on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, you just need to click on Start menu, then click on Settings. Click on Windows Update. Here you can see advanced option, just click on that. Under additional options you can see optional update, just click on this. If there is any update or pending driver install is available, you will find here. I have already updated my drivers, so it's not showing. If you find any list here, you just need to select and update it. That's it guys. So in this way you can install drivers or update on your Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.